Should we be afraid of AI? Some people are terrified of machine learning and artificial intelligence or AI, and some of the terrifying work in the AI field. So why are they afraid of it? Should they be afraid of AI? Let's find out in today's video. And if you love such tech updates or information, then Techque is here for you. Here we begin! One of the most common AI fears is general apprehension about what it might be capable of. AI systems that go rogue and are a recurring theme in movies and science fiction. Think HAL from 2001, A Space Odyssey, or the Terminator film series. Likewise, people dislike machines that become too intelligent because they fear losing control. This popular depiction of AI gone wrong has heightened public skepticism about the advancement of intelligent systems technologies. The general fear is that as AI systems become more intelligent and human intelligence surrounding these systems grow, these two unknowns give us a vague direction of where things could go. The realization that whenever human society has faced a major change or shift due to technological advances, humans have developed and adapted right along with it is a good antidote to general anxiety. The superintelligence? The most common fear of AI in the media is that it will develop superintelligence or reach a point where it no longer cares about humanity's existence, as Skynet does in the Terminator series. Technology will advance to the point where it can teach, improve, and invent on its own, and humanity will become a servant of technology rather than a force for the betterment of humanity. Our brains will be unable to keep up with advancement, development, and invention after a certain point because things will be moving far too quickly. Computing systems may very well outperform their human creators, and what will that mean for humanity when we reach that point? It makes us wonder what intelligence is exactly, how we can measure and define it as a concept for humans and computers, and how that new definition will fit into the world now and in the future. All of this, however, assumes that systems can and will achieve the goal of artificial general intelligence or AGI, and that we, as a species or society, will be unable to put safeguards in place to prevent computers from reaching that point. Is AI a job killer? A major concern is that in the previous wave of automation, it was mostly blue-collar jobs, such as manufacturing, that were automated away. In contrast, in this new wave, mostly white-collar service-oriented jobs based on knowledge workers will bear the brunt of intelligence forms of automation. As AI becomes more prevalent in business, the demand for trained human workers will diminish. Blue-collar workers such as delivery drivers and cab drivers are also affected by AI, as are many other aspects of the supply chain, logistics, and manufacturing. The fact is that technology exists to the point where 80% of any of these jobs can be performed by machines that are intelligent enough, implying that reality already exists. The truth is that technological advancements are already disrupting many industries, and many of them have nothing to do with AI. Rather, automation and streamlining processes make it easier and faster to do work for ourselves rather than relying on businesses and other organizations to be the middleman in getting things done. That's not what AI does. This is a very simple reason because it does not necessitate thinking about how human psychology works. Instead, it is about something much simpler. But unfortunately, there is a fundamental misunderstanding that the end result of AI will be something that thinks like a human, which is where the risk of it doing something human like genocide or world dominance arises. That is, the scientists are creating something that could either be a good or a bad person. That is absurd. We are trying to imagine a scenario in which you could create an AI that could be the next Dalai Lama, Steve Jobs, or Hitler, depending on how it feels. Really? How did that go? In the film Transcendence, the main character's AI-infused consciousness begins by manipulating stocks and shares and demanding more power in order to expand. Why? Why didn't it start by doing a great job of correcting everyone's spelling on the internet, or by developing a better form of the spreadsheet? What makes it think it has human desires? It is not, in fact, human. So why not want something that makes sense only if you're electronic? Because computers can do things faster than our brains, the idea that an AI could be super intelligent beyond human comprehension is entirely plausible. However, the notion that all of that intelligence will result in doing things that human intellects deem worthwhile is an egotistical guess. The future impact of AI in different sectors. Cyber safety. To ensure data security, every organization must prioritize cybersecurity. Some predictions for cybersecurity with AI includes the following changes. Security incidents will be tracked using AI tools. In addition, NLP is used to identify the source of cyber attacks. RPA bots are used to automate rule-based tasks and processes. However, as a great technology, it can also be used by attackers as a threat. They can use AI unethically by employing automated attacks that are difficult to defend against. Healthcare. AI will be critical in diagnosing diseases more quickly and accurately in healthcare. In addition, AI will make new drug discovery more efficient and cost-effective. It will also improve patient engagement in their care and make appointment scheduling and bill paying easier with few errors. Apart from these beneficial applications, one major challenge of AI in healthcare is ensuring its adoption in daily clinical practices. E-commerce. Artificial intelligence will play a critical role in the e-commerce sector in the near future. It will positively impact every aspect of the e-commerce sector, from user experience to product marketing and distribution. In the future, we can anticipate e-commerce with automated warehouse and inventory, shopper personalization, and use of chatbots. Transportation. While fully autonomous vehicles have yet to be developed in the transportation sector, researchers are making progress in this area. In the cockpit, AI and machine learning are being used to help reduce workload, manage pilot stress and fatigue, and improve on-time performance. However, there are several barriers to AI adoption in transportation, particularly in public transportation. First, there is a significant risk of over-reliance on automated and autonomous systems. Employment. Because of the use of artificial intelligence, it is now easier for job seekers and simpler for employers to find work. AI has already been used in the job market with strict rules and algorithms that automatically rejects an employee's resume if it does not meet the company's requirements. It is hoped that most AI-enabled applications, ranging from marking written interviews to telephonic rounds in the future, will drive the employment process. So, what do you think of AI and its future? Should you be afraid of it? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more such uploads.